Binance Web3 wallet private key. So in this video, I'll show you step by step where to locate your Binance Web3 wallet private key. After you open up your Binance app like this, so now tap on this wallet. So after you open the wallet like this now, so now tap on this menu at the top left side. After you open the menu, now go to this management, wallet management. Now tap on this pencil icon. So from this option, now here is now tap on this backup management. So in this backup management, there is two options. So before you back up your, if you already back up your private key, you cannot be able to see it. But if you have not back it up to your Gmail account, you'll be able to see the private key in this option. So because now I have already back up my private key, that's why I cannot be able to see it. But if you have not back up your private key, so if you tap on this option, you'll be able to see it.